back, Fat Boys. As the sun breaks the darkest hour, we ride until we veil the new destination. It is time to see our destiny, what lies beyond the end of the road. Let's head out. We pull up upon the first meetup place, a gas station, because everyone's getting gas before this ride. Morning.
Hi.
Good, how are you? It's Mark! Yay! It's JoJo time! JoJo time. I would love to see her on the back of your motorcycle.
What?
I would love to see her on the back of your motorcycle. JoJo!
That would be epic.
Alright guys, so we're actually heading on up to Bert's Barracuda because they are having their Bike Expo for 2021. I'll tell you what, I'm really excited. I hope I get to see some other YouTubers. I hope I get to see Shade Tree Surgeon and the Prep Star Garage gang out over there. I feel like it's going to be a really good time. And I can't wait to finally go over and meet Bert and see all of the cool people that are over there. Can't wait to see what's going to be happening over there. So this is going to be a really fun time. Let's see what's happening and just enjoy ourselves. It is currently 7:40 in the morning, and our ride has only just begun for the next 4 hours. But I tell you what, it is such a gorgeous Florida morning. I could not be happier to be riding right now and heading out with some of my best friends on over to Tampa and meet up at Bert's. This is going to be a nice day. You know, sometimes that's all you really need. It's not truly about where you're going, but it's about who you're going with. And I'm so happy to have some of my best friends, Mark, come with me. We officially come to the end of I-95, breaking apart from the common road.
Keep left, then turn left onto 20th Street.
Shut it, Siri! And we gas up before we undertake the minor roads, the undecided, and I don't know what the hell I'm saying. I just need fucking gas.
A few moments later.
Refueled, both mind and machine, via 93 dinosaurs and Kyle juice. Let's get back on the road.
For 86 miles, continue straight.
Ramming speed. Cue montage across Florida. That's a gator. Ooh, shit. The infamous death lane.
Merge onto I-4 West.
Exactly. We are turning onto I-4. Highway to Hell. The Death Valley of Florida. It's actually been talked about as being the number one case, the number one road for causing death, actually, in all of Florida. If not the United States. I think it's the number one interstate, actually, that has the most amount of accidents. It's crazy how many accidents happen on I-4 a year. So, as we even get on it right now, we're seeing that there's traffic already building up. Not even in the city yet, so can't wait to see what this entails. 28 miles, moving at 30 miles an hour. Woo, this is gonna be a long section of highway. We are now 42 miles away from the destination. And it's always the last 50 miles that are gonna feel like the longest, and this is definitely gonna be one of them, being in I-4 traffic. The city breaks the horizon. Great off into the distance is our destination. We see it on the veil of... I don't know what...
Stop it. Get some help.
My butt hurts! I'm butt hurt! How some people are able to drive through this and deal with this every single day boggles my mind. I couldn't imagine having to ride through this every single day. So, shade tree surgeon, congratulations. You are able to handle this shit a lot better than me. Shit. Highway to hell, people. Highway to hell.
In 1 mile, keep left onto County Road 296 toward West.
Finally off the highway to hell. But if we're off the highway to hell, does that mean we're in hell? The forbidden ones, the outlaws, where everyone comes together because there's a bar and a shield. Welcome to Bert's Barracuda's Harley-Davidson. Damn, this place is big. This looks fucking awesome. All right. This is the shit I want to see. Woo! Finally made it.